Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into something super exciting and practical: how to transfer your XRP from Coinbase to your Arculus wallet in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know how important it is to secure your assets, and moving them to a hardware wallet like Arculus is a smart move for better protection. This guide is straightforward, but always double check for any updates since crypto rules can change. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have a Coinbase account with XRP in it and that your Arculus wallet is set up and connected. In 2025, Arculus has some cool new security features, like enhanced biometric access, so take a moment to update your app if needed. Once you're ready, open your Arculus Wallet app and navigate to the Receive section. Here, you'll generate a unique XRP address. Copy that down carefully because accuracy is key to avoid any mix-ups. Now, head over to your Coinbase dashboard. Log in securely. Remember, two-factor authentication is a must in today's crypto world. Find your XRP balance, and click on the Send or Withdraw button. You'll be prompted to enter the recipient's address, so paste in that Arculus address we just copied. Double-check it to prevent any errors. One wrong character could send your XRP into the void. Next, you'll need to specify the amount of XRP you want to transfer. Be mindful of network fees. In 2025, XRP transactions are still super fast and cheap, but fees might vary based on congestion. Review the details, and if everything looks good, hit Confirm. Coinbase will send a verification code to your phone or email, so enter that to finalize the transfer. Once it's done, switch back to your Arculus wallet and refresh the screen. Your XRP should show up shortly, usually within minutes. Congrats, you've successfully moved your assets to a safer spot. If you run into any issues, like transaction delays, check the XRP Blockchain Explorer for status updates. That's it for this quick tutorial. Secure your crypto and stay ahead in 2025. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more tips. If you have questions, drop them in the comments below. See you next time.